Hey guys, it's time to do another showcase. This one is a part of a series that I am doing. It is the second edition of the Eternal Flame. I have brought it outside so that we can look at all the gorgeous gold that's in it. Let's get up close. The sun is out today, finally. And you can see that gold. I'm kind of angling my camera so that it allows that sparkle to show. This is on a 12-inch by 12-inch professional grade canvas. It's been sealed with numerous coats of a clear top coat that dries hard like resin. This painting will be added to my Etsy shop, so be sure to go there and check it out. I hope you guys like it. I really love it and enjoy creating this. It was done with a Dutch pour technique. I'm going to bid you farewell for today. I will be seeing you again soon for a paint party, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.